Spooky guy here. Hello. I have a little bit complicated setup here, but the idea is I have the hair dryer here, and then I have these iFixit kits. There is the parts and there is the tools. And I ordered these to be able to change battery for this old iPad mini 4, and the battery is done, so I thought I will change the battery myself rather than take it to the professionals, because I think I can do it, and we'll see what's going to happen. I have no idea how it's going to go, but you can witness this, so I will show you if I can do it or not. Didn't go as I planned it would be. I messed up the screen. And how we're going to start is that we start it went off. The other camera went off, so I thought I could get the closer view from the GoPro here to see what I'm doing. But anyways, we have to start so that we heat the front side of it first. Don't know what's going on. Okay, let's try again. Somehow the GoPro seems to be shutting off all the time. But how we're going to start is that we're going to heat this, because this is all glued. So there is a glue in this thing, and you cannot open it with the screws. So you have to tear this out. So I'm going to start heating it with the heat gun here, and let's see how this works, or if it works. Like that. And we are going to heat the front side of it first. Maybe I'm not going to film all this heating, because it will take a while. So I will turn off this for a while. Okay. I have no idea how much I should heat this. How warm it can be, I don't know. I have no idea, but first I open the kit like that. Like that, and okay, what we have here is different kinds of tools, all the stuff you're supposed to use while doing this, and maybe I should heat it a little bit more. And then there is this little suction cup that should help also the process. Okay, let's try this. I put the suction cup somewhere here, like that, and then I should be able to put this in between this thing, but it doesn't go there at all. Like, it should be much thinner than this one. Maybe I should heat more. I don't think it will break even though how warm I heat it, and just to watch that it doesn't melt. Maybe there is maybe the armored glass is also a little bit making it more complicated, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Get really thin thing. Oh, won't go there. Should go there between the. Between this somewhere it goes easier. This is really oh, there are two. Okay. Okay, maybe this helps it a little bit. Maybe I'll turn off the thing for a while because I don't think this, I think this is gonna take a longer time than I thought to get in between this cover and the body of the iPad. First problem was that I tried to, there were two of these and I didn't notice that, but let's see. I should get this start somewhere here. And should get this thing in between, but it doesn't go. I don't know why. There are no screws. It's really, really tight, this thing. Let's see what happens here. No, it's not. It's really difficult right now. What about these? These bit of the tools. So difficult to get anything between there. This is the tool. More heat. I know it would get easier if I could just get in between somewhere, but it's really hard to get the thing going. Oh, it seems to be very hot. Seems to be very hot now. I think it's for this, so we're not you might get started anywhere. Now it's going. See? It went in between there. And I can hear the tape giving up. All right. Let's try to widen the. See? Okay. No, a little bit more heat. Oops. There I went too far. I messed up the screen a little bit. Wait, no. See? There is the glue and stuff. Shit, I went there. I went too far. And you can see there is already a problem with the screen. Oh boy. Now we're supposed to open this up. Like that. Definitely the glue needs to be heated so it starts to give up. And then they said that I have a little screwdriver here on the set. You definitely need the set to do this. And there is some tight, I think it's screen wires, that those flat ones there over here, that you cannot open this all the way before you take these little 4 screws out. What do you think? Am I going to lose the screws? I put them here. They're so tiny screws. Oh, for sure I'm gonna miss some of them. There are 3, 4. This is number 3. It's magnetic, the screwdriver, so sticks to the end, which is the most important thing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get these back, but Yeah, it is going to be difficult, I know it already. But I got all 4 out and they are all 4 there. So now they said that I should use this to take this piece off. Where do I put it? Oh, here. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. There's some kind of liquid inside. Anyway, we are here and now I need to get these like that. They came off like easily. Okay. I don't know if I should open this more or not. Do I need to take this off? I need to get something to drink. Just a little pause. Okay. I'm on. Okay, now we continue. So we are at this spot that I think I need to get this screen out. There is this old glue stuff here. There are new adhesives on the package, so now I can take these. It's so thin. This is what was causing the problem to open this. Anyways, I put it here, the screen, and now I need to take out of the battery. Battery is this thing here. And I think the cable is here. Is it that one? Yeah. This is the cable for the battery. Just pull it out like that. Well, at least what I did. Now we need to, there is a glue inside here and we need to heat this other side so what we can, oops, tools on the floor, so I can be able to rip it out. This is very powerful, it's really hot. So it will certainly dry your hair very quickly. And dry your brains too, maybe. I've never used. But that's probably because I don't have any hair, so. Okay. I have my other iPad here, and I found a video, iPad mini for battery replacement video from YouTube, and I've been looking at that at the same time, but it's a little bit different, and I don't know what is the right way or wrong way, but anyway, I will try to get this tool underneath like that. See, I got it there. I can feel the glue there. Let's see. It's coming off a little bit. I'm not sure if. Oops. I tell you, that's gonna be on the floor next. But see what happens here. What could possibly go wrong? Since I have another tool here, I try to do that from the other end to get it underneath the battery there. Oops, it's bending a little bit, the battery. But see, it goes under there, like this. And this is the battery, so there is just that double-sided tape. See, it's giving up now. I will tell you later how much the set costs. I ordered it online, and it's especially for this iPad. So now I'm glad I ordered the whole set with the tools and everything. First I thought that I will have all the tools needed, but these plastic things are so good. So oh God, it's so hot. The metal is so hot. Sorry, there's some glue. Let's see. Okay. So I thought it's going to be this. Okay, here it's coming up. There it is. Benny. I know. The middle part is so hard. Yeah, I can see. Shit. Okay. There it is. Look at this. Probably not usable anymore. There is just tape. It's just tape here. Okay. Now we have this off. And I don't know, maybe we need to get the. Let's see what is on the other package, what we have here. I think we should have here the new tape. But if I don't put that tape there, does it hurt? Because it would be easier to change next time. Okay, so here we have, there is the new tape for the frame. Okay, 3 pieces, new tape. And then we have the battery here, maybe, hopefully. It's like this way. And how do you open this? Oh, it's like that. Okay. And here is the battery. And there is the So it's going to be like this because there is a connector here. And there is a new tape. So what I need to do now, I think I will take this tape here off because the new one will stick there better. Yeah, I will pause a bit. I will get the tape removal spray and we will take the old tape out. Okay, I'm back. I have isopropanol spray and then I have acetone. I don't know which one will do the work better. And then I got scissors and I cut the sleeve from my wife's t-shirt. Hoping for the hot summer. Maybe she doesn't mind. But anyway, I need this rack. And let's see how it works. This first isopropanol. Very valuable. Yeah, but I know. I need to have the spread just for tape removal. I think that's all that. So you have to deal with that. No, it's a little bit risky to spray directly there, but as they say, I have a t-shirt that says no risk, no story, so let's go with that. Maybe gorgeous. That's not yeah. That's right. That's the it's all now. Bring it off. See, just sing that. You know, I'll use it now. Oh, wait. I'm not gonna spend all day scrubbing this. It's good enough. And now, let's put that away. Now what we're gonna do is, we've also been scratching this a little bit, but it is what it is. And now we need to put this, so I think I have to be careful that I put it on the right side, like that. There's a little bit, oh, there's only on the sides the adhesive. Okay. I take that. Maybe I put this, yeah. It's probably wise to put the connector in first, so then it will be in the right place, the battery. Like that. It's there. New battery is in, connector is in, and next thing is to clean these, the old outer seals.
Yeah, so just like this old stuff. It's on the metal place there, as you can see. You can get it out. Good. You have a new seals for that. Okay, there's one here. You stick out. I have a second here. This one here. Okay. Good. I'm sure. There is any more. This one actually is cool much. And then there's this one. This is the image of this. It's really, I don't know why I use it. It sticks so well. Better than normal. Because I just take this. Sticks very. Well, it's normal. And at the same time, you can get with the screen that I'm making or something. There's better on the plasma. And screen. Okay, now there's one more piece here. There. Let's get this up. Yeah, I'm going to make this. I think there's a.
No, there is no tape on this side. I didn't even look if it's the same. Yeah. It is exactly the same. And the old battery. So now I need to put the new tape in.
And it's ready to go. Back, like these. Put these over here. And here is the. Here's the tapes. Okay, which way? Okay, this is the tape side. And I'm supposed to put these. Which way? Like this, or like this. It's like this. Okay, so that tape goes there. What I do is, okay, I have an idea. I use scissors and I got this. Just these out. Like that. Okay, now it's there, see? Oh god. So this is me, my hands. What a good idea. There, nice back, so I put it here. Like that, like that. Like that.
Like that. Hopefully this is the right tape for this spot.
Now we can take the middle part off. Like that.
It's in the wrong place, I think. This one.
It's in the wrong place. Because I think it's been the other way around. So I should just, oops, taking it away. And no. Which way? Like this? Yeah.
This one is here. Yeah. I put it in the wrong place.
Press. How are you supposed to do this?
I tell you, this is not easy at all.
What do you think? Tweezers. It's doable. This is so thin. It's like 1 millimeter. Oh shit, it sticks to my hand. Like that, like that, like that. Oh shoot. Okay. Ah. It's kind of there. But it's not very strongly.
I know already one mistake I made.
I should clean the surface better with this go. I know already. But anyway, next we do this. It goes on the other side. See, it's here now. Thing. Not very happy, but it's there. And maybe I try to clean it this side. Ah, it's getting away now. Okay. Let's look at the other side. And the other goes. Yeah. Okay. Let me see what it is. What it's supposed to be. There. And now this one. Okay. This is really odd. This is both ways. Okay. Is there something like this? Is there this microphone over here? And this. In its place. It's not in its place now. Because this. Huh? This is really annoying. Like that. Like that. Oops. Oh god. No way. Oh, this is so difficult. How can I make it stay there? Oh god. So difficult. So difficult. Okay, one thing is tape is the wrong side. I need to take this off. Where's all the way? Oh shoot, this is all the way. It's the other side too. Now it's supposed to be this side. There you go.
That's why it didn't stick, because there is that protective tape on the both sides, and I didn't know that.
So, yeah, I can do this. Maybe there's a way, but there's a will. Really, really. I know this. I'm sure I can block him. Yeah, no, this don't be this. This don't be this. It won't go to the right place. At all. It's not. Oh no. This is bad. It doesn't go. It's so bad. It's a mess. I don't know.
Oh no!
Okay.
This this is the point where the professionals and DIYs differ.
I don't know. Wait a second.
Can't touch it because it sticks my hand and it doesn't go to the right place on its own.
I recommend if you do this. Make it a
Make a better plan than I did. This was bad, bad, bad. It's sort of there now, but not good at all.
I don't know. Yeah. That's not what
It's not good at all. I'm really disappointed to myself.
Next one. Okay, last part is here. And we'll still get rolling. Yeah, we'll do it like this. No, this is supposed to go this way. I don't know. Maybe it's here. This side.
Yeah, I did it wrong way. You should have put it here on the screen, not on the body itself.
That's it. Easy. Just take it. Come on. Yeah. Okay, do it. The other way. Wait, here. Okay, yeah.
It's totally wrong. The thing is totally wrong.
What can I do? It's supposed to switch. And wait. Maybe. I'm so embarrassed. Yeah. I'm going to take it out. You're going to take it out and no, never back. I'm already glue this side. So, it's wrong, it's bad. And that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with it. I messed it up.
This is the next impossible thing. There's no way you can put this in.
See?
I'm about to throw this everything to the garbage bin and go and buy a new iPad.
How am I supposed to put this in? This is fine. Just like that. This is ridiculous. I do. This is ridiculous. How am I supposed to? Yeah. I knew this so well.
This is absolutely nightmare.
I will not recommend this to anybody. It's probably impossible to fix this roof.
See, this screw should go in that little hole here while I'm holding this, and I cannot even put the screwdriver straight. But it went in.
How about that? No, pretty much go. But one hand is fixed, so nobody can screw that way. Yeah, I'm not doing that hand. Should be able to do that.
This is the things that I get mad. This is definitely the stuff that I cannot handle. My brain will not handle this because it's just driving me crazy. How can I get this? No. Not saying anything now.
Ready? Next. Now, see, I don't know what I'm doing. There, no, put it down. This is absolutely nothing. You can see the screw which way it is, just upside down. Okay. What else was going in? What's going in?
Like that. Like that. Up here there is nothing where it can stick because I put the tape wrong way. So and there is a little mistake on the screen that I did first. What? There is a new battery. Okay, a lot of mistakes. Biggest mistake was that I didn't check that the other camera is on. The GoPro has been on, but the other one hasn't been on, and I had a tremendous problems with the installation of the new double-sided tapes into this because they are so thin. They are like that. See, so thin, and I did it wrong way. I put it to the bottom of the body, and it should have been put on the screen. But yeah, it is what it is. I got everything in, and now there is the best part left, which means that I don't think you missed anything because I got so annoyed with the little screws and everything. Maybe I can use the GoPro material to cover what's missing from the main camera, but yeah, sorry about that. But now I turned it on, and what can we see? Total disaster. I ruined the um, I ruined the screen. That happened in the beginning. I went a little bit too far here when I was opening this, and now the screen is gone. It's kind of working, but it's not working, and yeah, I don't have a iPad mini anymore. Oh boy, what a disaster. It's kind of working, but the screen is gone. Yeah, like you can say, it's totally messed up. Everything is fine, but it's not fine because you cannot use this really. It's yeah. Maybe I check online if there is a screen available for the iPad Mini 4, but it's it's really bad. I'm so annoyed. But yeah, don't do this at home. Yeah, sorry, but that's life. And yeah, I messed it up. But maybe you enjoyed the video, and maybe there is a lesson that don't start doing stuff that you don't know what to do. So yeah, that's it. See you later. Ukikai retiring here. Ukikai here. Just a little end note to my iPad Mini 4 battery replacement project, which didn't go as I planned it would be going. So I messed up the screen, and I will show you how it looks. let's see. See, there is a big black mark on it, and also there is some stripes going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order a display. Yeah, now I'm going to order display and I will change it. So that's the final result of my project. We will be coming back to it.